Right now, nearly half of all American adults have high blood pressure, over 116 million people, and most of them feel completely fine. No pain, no warning, no symptoms, just a silent storm building inside their arteries, waiting. High blood pressure causes heart attacks, strokes, and kidney failure, without a single warning sign until it is already too late. But here is what most doctors never tell you. There are 5 proven natural ways to lower your blood pressure, without a single pill, without side effects, and without spending a dollar. Method number 3 works so fast, most people feel the difference within 24 hours. Stay until the end, because I will reveal the one food silently raising your blood pressure that almost everyone eats every single day. Your heart pumps blood through your arteries with every single beat. Blood pressure is simply the force of that blood pushing against your artery walls. When that force is consistently too high, it damages those walls. They thicken, they stiffen, they narrow. Narrowed arteries mean your heart must work even harder. Blood clots form more easily, and one day, without any warning, a clot reaches your brain or your heart. That is a stroke or a heart attack. The good news? Your blood pressure responds powerfully to natural interventions. Your arteries can heal. Your numbers can drop, starting today. Method number 1. The first method surprises most people with how simple and powerful it is. Walking. 30 minutes of brisk walking every single day. When you walk briskly, your blood vessels dilate, opening wider to allow more blood flow. Over time, this trains your arteries to stay flexible and relaxed throughout the day, even when you are sitting still. Flexible arteries mean lower resistance. Lower resistance means lower blood pressure. A landmark study in the Journal of Hypertension found that 30 minutes of daily walking reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 8 points within 12 weeks, enough to move millions of people out of the hypertensive category entirely. No gym, no equipment, no running. Just walk outside every morning. Morning sunlight combined with walking amplifies the effect by triggering healthy cortisol regulation and vitamin D production simultaneously. 30 minutes every single day. This habit alone has helped thousands of Americans reduce their blood pressure medication under their doctor's supervision. Method number 2. The second method has nothing to do with diet or exercise, and it surprises almost everyone who hears it. Deep breathing. Slow diaphragmatic breathing, just 5 minutes twice a day. Most Americans with high blood pressure are stuck in a chronic stress state. Cortisol stays elevated. Arteries stay constricted. Blood pressure stays high every hour of the day. Deep, slow breathing directly activates your body's rest and repair mode, instantly signaling your arteries to relax. Your heart rate slows. Your cortisol drops. Blood pressure falls, sometimes within minutes. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. Repeat for 5 minutes, morning and night. The FDA actually approved a breathing device specifically for lowering blood pressure based on this exact mechanism. Real medicine, completely free, anywhere, anytime. Method number 3, the one that works within 24 hours. And I meant every word of that. Reducing sodium, cutting your daily intake below 1,500 milligrams for just 1 day. When you consume excess sodium, your body retains water to dilute it. That extra fluid increases blood volume in your vessels. More blood volume means more pressure against your artery walls. The average American consumes over 3,400 milligrams of sodium daily, nearly 50% more than their arteries can handle. And 70% of that sodium is hidden inside processed foods, restaurant meals, packaged bread, and canned soups, not from the salt shaker. Eliminate processed foods for 1 day and cook fresh at home. Most people feel a measurable reduction within 24 hours. Within 2 weeks, studies show an average drop of 5 to 6 systolic points. Combined with methods 1 and 2, that number becomes truly powerful. Method number 4, the most enjoyable method on this list, one that will genuinely make you smile. Dark chocolate. 70% cocoa or higher in small amounts every single day. Dark chocolate is one of the richest natural sources of flavonols, compounds that stimulate your blood vessels to produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide signals your artery walls to relax and dilate. Relaxed arteries offer less resistance to blood flow. Less resistance means lower blood pressure, directly and measurably. A meta-analysis of 35 clinical trials confirmed regular dark chocolate consumption reduced systolic blood pressure by 2 to 3 points on average. Small individually, but powerfully significant combined with everything else on this list. 1 to 2 small squares of 70% dark chocolate daily, not milk chocolate, not candy bars, pure dark chocolate. Real medicine that actually tastes incredible. Method number 5, and finally, the most powerful natural blood pressure intervention on this entire list, and the one most doctors never discuss: magnesium. Getting adequate magnesium through food every single day. Magnesium is nature's natural calcium channel blocker. Prescription calcium channel blockers are drugs used specifically to lower blood pressure by relaxing arterial walls. Magnesium does this naturally, regulating how much calcium enters your artery muscle cells. Adequate magnesium means relaxed arteries. Relaxed arteries mean lower blood pressure. Over 50% of Americans are magnesium deficient. This deficiency is directly linked to arterial stiffness and elevated blood pressure, yet most people have never been told about it. The best sources are spinach, Swiss chard, pumpkin seeds, almonds, black beans, and avocado. Aim for 400 milligrams daily through whole foods. Studies show correcting this deficiency alone reduces systolic blood pressure by 3 to 4 points. Combined with everything else, the results are transformative. Bonus: I promised you the food silently raising your blood pressure every single day. Here it is: packaged bread. White bread, sandwich bread, burger buns, and tortillas. Most people never think of bread as a high-sodium food, but a single slice of commercial white bread contains up to 200 milligrams of sodium. 2 slices before adding any filling put you at 400 milligrams. Eat bread at 2 or 3 meals daily, which most Americans do, and bread alone contributes nearly 1,000 milligrams of your daily sodium intake without you even realizing it. Switch to genuine sourdough or reduce your bread consumption. Your blood pressure will respond faster than you expect. High blood pressure is not a life sentence. It is a signal that something needs to change. And these 5 methods are not theories. They are proven interventions that genuinely work. Walk every day. Breathe deeply. Reduce sodium. Eat dark chocolate. Get your magnesium. Done consistently, these 5 things have helped thousands of Americans lower their numbers naturally and add years of healthy life. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. Subscribe to Health Decoded for weekly videos that give you the real truth about your health backed by science. And comment below, which of these 5 methods are you starting with today? I read every single comment. Your blood pressure is not out of your control. Take it back, starting today. I will see you in the next one.